I'm Nick Uhas for localbozo.com. 66 million Americans did this last year. What could that be? It was boating. So we decided to come to the 106th annual New York Boat Show at the Jacob Javits Center. Let's go check it out. I'm on a boat. Tell us about the jet ski from the future.
Thanks for coming by today.
Absolutely.
Brand new 2011 Yamaha VXR. It is a brand new model for this year, and what we did was something that's never been done before. Top speed on here is in the high 60s, 0 to 30, less than 2 seconds, all from a naturally aspirated machine.
That's incredible.
We're at the Dometic Vacuum Flush Sanitation System. The vacuum flush is very unique. It's the only one vacuum toilet on the market for boats, and it is a toilet that uses very little fresh water, very little power, so it doesn't draw on your resources on board. Operates very easily. It's a touch of the button, and the waste is taken quickly and putting in a holding tank.
Not only do we have boats and jet skis at, well, a New York boat show, we also have other things like hats, towels that soak up gallons of water. We have insurance. Who doesn't love insurance? We also have jewelry. And there's a candy store somewhere in this place. We're gonna find that candy store. Tell me a little bit more about, what Sea-Doo does in the market. Okay, that makes sense.
My name's Russell Newberry, and I'm from Homer, Alaska, and I just happened to be on a hit television show called Deadliest Catch, which is a reality show about fishing in Alaska.
How is New York different than where you're used to fishing?
Well, I'll tell you, the girls here are everywhere, and I'm like, glitter, 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 sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Trust me, they're just as deadly.
They are the deadliest catch.
We've seen jet skis, we've seen powerboats, we've seen pontoons, we've even seen boat toilets. I'm Nick Uhas for localbozo.com, and this was the New York Boat Show.